Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this amazing video, you will learn how to change the direction for submenu opening using Astra Theme. By default, submenus will always open to the right side just like this. So to fix this or to change the direction, all we need to do is move to the WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto Appearance and click on Menus. Here we have to add the CSS class to the parent menu. To do so, first we need to enable CSS class option by clicking on Screen Options. Now check the box beside CSS classes. Now to change the direction of the submenu, click on the parent menu and here add a CSS class for opening a submenu to the left instead of the right side. I have added this CSS class in the description, you can copy it from there. Once done, let's save the menu. Now let me show you the changes. Moving back to the front end, let's refresh the page. You can see that now the submenu is opening in the left instead of the right. So this is how easy it is to change the direction for submenu opening using Astra Theme in WordPress. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.